What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And right now I'm about to screw on the motor mounts and I'm about to test fit the motor in my engine bay. I know it looks ugly. I just had it pressure washed. Still looks like a piece of shit, but you know, I really want to paint it, but I don't really got time for that. Trying to get this thing done as soon as possible. Yeah, right now I'm about to screw on the motor mounts and go ahead and get the motor sitting here, see what we're gonna run into. Like I was saying with the headers though, the driver's side header should be hitting this, and I'm gonna have to get it custom fabbed so it'll go around it, so it won't hit that. So I should be running into that issue right now. We'll see, hopefully not. But a lot of people said when they ran these headers with the LOJ kit, they had that problem, so it's whatever. But yeah, like I was saying, I ordered the Siki kit. Comes with the master cylinder and all the clutch lines, so then I can go ahead and throw in my transmission. Right now I'm just putting in the motor just to see what we have to do, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to make a custom radiator support because the motor sits too close and it's gonna hit on the fans and the radiator, so we gotta push it out a little bit. I'm gonna see right now. Some people did it, some people didn't, so we're gonna see. If anything, we're just gonna have to weld a bar right here and make our own radiator support. Shouldn't be too hard, but definitely will take time. Yeah. Hopefully you don't run into too many issues. We'll see though. Alright, right now I'm about to screw on the motor mounts. So I literally just put the camera down and I already ran into a problem. So basically I can't get the driver's side motor mount on because the header's in the way. Fucking driver's side header is a pain in the ass, bro. The passenger side header is fine. I can fit the motor on the motor mount on no problem. So what I'm gonna have to do is take off that header and throw on the motor mount and throw it in the car like that, and then take it to the shop and have them custom fab it. So that kind of sucks. I literally just put the camera down, already have a problem. You know, that's how cars go though. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off that header and start screwing in the motor mounts. Alright guys, so I just got that header off and just got the motor back on the crane. Now I'm about to start bolting on the motor mounts and get this bad boy in here. So right now we shouldn't run into that issue of the headers hitting into the steering shaft because the driver's side header is off right now, so we won't run into that issue. So right now we shouldn't be running into any issues. Hopefully, you know, cars ain't nice. All right, so I'm about to throw on the motor mounts. I'll see you guys after. Alright, y'all boys. I just got the motor mounts in. Now I didn't screw them in really tight, because you can see here that they adjust. So when it's in the car, I gotta see if I gotta move it over a little bit. Yeah. Now I'm about to start throwing the motor in here. Hopefully everything goes good. Y'all wish me luck. Alright, you guys, so we just kind of got the motor in and we ran into another issue. Side of this valve cover was hitting on this secondary firewall. Now I did see a lot of people, they cut out that secondary firewall. They said it doesn't really do anything to give us that extra space so it won't hit.
Just take the battery off, bro. When that starter cable that's hanging out hit.
So right now we're gonna go ahead and cut off that secondary firewall and get the extra room we need to put the motor fully in. Other than that, everything was going pretty smooth. Got the motor in for a little bit, that little tease. All right, so right now we're gonna go cut that secondary firewall off. All right, y'all boys, finally, bro. Finally got the secondary firewall out. Now I can finally go ahead and throw this motor on. Here's all the remains. This honestly took way longer than expected, but I have so much room now. This is crazy. Before I used to stop right here. Now I got all this room. Now the motor should have no problem. So right now I'm about to get it back on the engine hoist. Hey. Damn, that shit look clean. That shit is fire. I didn't bolt down the motor mounts yet. I still have to bolt them down. But right now the motor's sitting in the subframe. Dude, this fits way better than the VQ, bro. The VQ, it went to like right here. I had no room. Now I have so much room. It's crazy how this fits way better than a VQ. Now the only problem I'm seeing, like I said, right now I don't have the transmission on because I'm still waiting for that kit. How the fuck am I gonna get that transmission on? I have no clue. But hey, man, got a lot of work done today. This thing is looking sick, bro. What do you guys think? This thing is crazy. It looks so good. This thing's about to be a beast, bro. Y'all aren't ready. Catch me on the streets soon, y'all boys. More content coming. Alright guys, so my camera died last night. What I pretty much got done was I finished bolting in the motor mounts, so that's all done. And I pretty much just lowered the car, got it off the lift, dragged it outside. Well, not dragged, pushed it outside, and I just cleaned up and I left. It got pretty late on us. Ran into a lot of issues yesterday, but got them fixed and finally got the motor in. I'm super stoked. It's looking sick, bro. I can't wait. Right now I'm waiting for the Siki kit. It should be coming in this Friday, so I can go ahead and throw on the master cylinder and the clutch lines, and I can go ahead and get that tranny in and try and figure out how we're gonna get that in. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.